everyone, welcome to today's video. And it's Saturday. I am finally heading to my dad's workplace because like I said in the previous video, they have a heated garage and I got a trunk full of parts. I'm finally going to be installing those rear coilovers after like a year and a half. And after I'm done installing those rear coilovers, we'll make all around height adjustments because I would like to raise the fronts a bit more. It's just a little too low for my liking, and we'll see how low the rear can go, mostly because my rear fenders are not rolled and I'm pretty sure it's gonna rub. I think it's gonna rub because with the wheel spacers, the 25mm wheel spacers and the 255 tire that I have in the back, it's pretty even with the fender. There's really not much room for it to clear, so it's gonna be interesting. I'm going to max out those rear coilovers height-wise, like raising it height-wise. I'm gonna max it out that way first because I even think with them maxed out, it should only lower the coilover. The rear's like maybe half an inch at most, I think, even with it maxed out. And then from there, you know, if I have some clearance, I'll lower it a bit more, but we're gonna take it slow. So I'm on my way to the shop right now, and I'll see you guys when we get there. This ride height is bigger than stock, so don't fully max out your coilover height-wise. Sorry I haven't been recording a whole lot. I've been doing this with my dad. Helped me out, making it go a lot faster, and I definitely needed his help with a couple things. But here we're at right now. Second side is all done. This, like the other side, ride height is all the way maxed out, and it's maxed out. Basically, what you see right here is the ride height it stays at when it's on the ground. So I'm gonna finish up bowling up that side, and depending if I want, I'll adjust it and lower it. The only thing is, like the front coilovers, you can adjust, just take the tire off or take the wheel off, you can adjust it. However, with this, you don't get a whole lot of room to put the spanners in here, so it makes it harder to adjust. Now, this is the brace for the filler neck. I could probably pop that off, and it should give me enough room to squeeze a spanner in, but it's really not worth it. I could do the screwdriver method, hold one side, use it. I might do that, but if I really want to adjust this, I'm gonna have to take all this off again, and it's a huge pain in the ass. So we'll see if I'm feeling up to it. We were able to do the other side. I was able to tighten it down by sticking the spanners in there. It's a tight fit. It's almost not even worth it, but I'm gonna try it because it is like monster truck status. So I will update you guys when we get to that point. Truth, I'm gonna sit you guys down over here, and you're about to see this monster truck status. Okay, actually, it's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. I'm pretty sure that's actually stock height. Check the other side. I think this side's a bit lower, actually. Okay, yeah, left side is definitely a lot lower than this. So I messed something up. But it's actually not too bad. I definitely like how this looks. I like that, so I'm gonna try and replicate the other side to look like that, which I don't know how, because I don't know how low it is, because I tightened that one while it was still on the car, so it's gonna be a guessing game. But I like this ride height. This I'm okay with. This is actually what I want. The other side is definitely still stock height. That's definitely what it was, stock. So if I can just get that a little tad lower, we'll be golden. All right, all finished. I went ahead and I took everything apart to lower it and all that, and it's all even, but this side still seems higher, and I don't know why. Might try and, I don't know, it looks even from here. I don't know, maybe it's because of the camber. That side looks like to have a little bit more camber than that side. That could be it. Yeah, it definitely looks like there's more camber on this side, so that could be why it looks uneven. But I counted it, 3 threads up on both sides. Everything else is even. But overall, I'm happy. I'm not gonna go lower it to the ground, because we are still gonna get snow coming up tomorrow and then next week. So come springtime and summer though, I will lower it more. But of course, before that, I need to get my rear fenders rolled first before I go any lower. But I'm happy with this. It does look lower, definitely lower than what it was, so I'm happy. Looks a little better. But hope you guys liked that video. She's finally fully on coilovers after a year and a half. And next episode will be either installing the rear tow arms and tow bolts, or the front eBay lower control arms. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces. Trapped in a